What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Celestia, also known as TIA, which has taken quite of a dip today. As you can see, 20% down in the last 24 hours, and it's currently trading at $5.45. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to pump anytime soon, or is it going to keep crashing down in value? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy the dip right now? Is it too late? Or should you sell it and take out your profit before it crashes down even further? Or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially up to around $10 over the coming weeks? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. What can we expect from Celestia and how high can it go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and as you guys can see, there is not much data on the crypto, only because it was initially launched on the 1st of November, which was again just about 3 weeks ago, meaning there is not much data on the crypto. So we are going to have to stick to the short-term prediction, but I will also keep you guys updated on the long-term prediction, on what my takes on my predictions are. But just bear in mind that long-term prediction are bound to change, especially for a cryptocurrency like this where there is not much data. So let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So again, as you guys can see, there is no MACD indicator here on the daily chart due to the fact that there's no enough data. If we go to the hourly chart, we do have data. So yeah, most accurate one would be the short-term prediction. But before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are going to start off with the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders. So zooming in here, we do have the blue and the orange line literally flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Celestia over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be hovering. I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further, so hovering around $5 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. However, do expect red and green candles in between, just like how it's been performing over the last couple of hours, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. But I'm not expecting a major drop or a major crash or anything like that, as that has already pretty much happened over the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, major drops here. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. It is just about slanting towards a positive direction. It's not looking too steep, meaning you won't be able to see it clearly, but yeah, I don't know, if you look a little bit close enough, yes, you can see it heading towards a bullish direction. And the orange line is flat out once again going in a straight line, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Celestia over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering just over $6 is what I'm expecting. Not a major increase or a major pump. It is going to be very, very minimal. Only reason I say this is, yes, it is a new crypto, there's not much data on it, so I don't usually invest into projects like this where, you know, it's initially launched about 3 weeks ago. I tend to go on to more sustainable cryptocurrencies. We've got data on, we've got analysis on, we can do the prediction on for the long term as well, because if you guys know, I am a long-term investor rather than the short term, so I like to know the background of it, how it's been performing, and so on and so on. But at the moment, no major changes are expected. In fact, hovering around the current price range is what I'm expecting from Celestia at the moment. But again, it is crypto, it is a new project, so a random pump can take place, or a random crash even. But if I'm able to expect or predict such thing, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and move on to the daily chart. So as you guys can see, it did go through a major increase in value earlier on last week, and since about the 19th of November, which was on Sunday, it has been dropping in value quite a bit. So let's have a look at the 7 days chart. It is down 11%, even though it did pump up quite heavily last week and late last week as well. Since Sunday, it's been dropping in value quite a bit, and it is likely to carry on over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to gain value up to around $6 by the end of this week, and early next week is what I'm expecting. On to 2024, what can we expect from Celestia? Again, I'm expecting, again guys, doesn't mean you guys can have your own prediction, but I am expecting it to drop down in value in late December, early January, or even in the coming weeks, down to below $3, potentially hitting around $2 by late December, early January is what my predictions are on this crypto, as I don't believe that is going to carry on pumping in value over the coming weeks or even in the long term. What I'm expecting is for it to crash back down in value, unless the founders of this crypto, or they go for an upgrade or an update or have any collaborations. Then of course this will have a major positive or negative impact on the value, but at the moment no such things are predicted. So yes, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the next couple of weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 42% in the last 24 hours, making it $372 million in trading, which is again an increase in trading. However, because it's dropped in value, we are going to be seeing people buying the dips as well as people panic selling. So it works both ways from both buyers and sellers point of view. We are going to see a lot more trading, meaning the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours and coming days as well. So Celestia, would I buy it right now? The simplest answer is no, I wouldn't. You guys would have probably noticed by the way I was doing my predictions, because I'm a long-term investor, and if it's going to drop, there's literally no point in me investing into it. But if you're a short-term trader, it's a completely different story. But again, no, I wouldn't invest into the crypto. Even if it drops down to 50 cents, I still wouldn't invest into it, as that just proves my point. If it drops down to 50 cents, that is just going to crash back down in value. And for those of you asking, would I sell the crypto right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I would only sell it if I was on a profit. If I wasn't on a profit, I wouldn't sell it. So if I was on a profit right now and I had $1,000 into it, I would sell 50% of my investment in Celestia, meaning I'll take out some profit and I'll still have some investment in Celestia. Of course, it depends on how much you guys want to take, your financial situation and so on. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Celestia, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.